Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a very important issue. It has been into the talks from the in the last decade only. It is about brain drain. Whenever we see when Indians and Americans are losing when Indians are losing to Americans in a debate, they just say one line and it's finished. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, is Indian. So is that a thing of proud? Well, I don't think so because what would have happened if if Sundar Pichai have worked the same thing in India for an Indian company? Then an Indian company would have been grown as a technology leader in the world, and it will be a very great step for India uh, to be to uh, to go forward in one more step towards its dream of becoming a superpower. So, what is brain drain? Brain drain is the meaning of brain drain is the transfer of work human resource good specialized human resource from developing nation to developed nation, and by which there is an immense loss of educational and skills investment done by the developing nation. So that is a really concerning thing, especially from the point of view of India, as we can see that many CEOs of big tech giants in the US, if we talk about Google, if we talk about Microsoft, IBM, and Twitter, and many other companies also, and also at the top corporate directors level, there are many Indians who are placed there. They are working in those in those tech companies, and they are performing and they are outperforming the whole world. So why is it happening? I think that it is because of the hardworking nature and nicer adaptability of Indians as compared to other people. And also, English also gives them a slight edge also. But why it is bad? I think it is bad if we talk about if from the developing nations perspective, whether it is India, Pakistan, China, uh, the people from these countries migrate to developed countries like USA, to European countries, Germany, France, sometimes Saudi Arabia as oil field workers. So countries like India are having immense loss of working capital, skilled working capital on whom India has invested, and they are not being utilized by India. So that is a real big loss. We can see that many of the people migrate in search of better opportunities, in search of better lifestyle, and in a search of money. But what if we provide them all that things here? We can see that many of Indians migrate to America, many of Indians migrate to Germany because the overall population and the fertility rate of Germany is very less. So they need more skilled people to run their economy. So they have provided a free education to all of the world, to all the international students, so that the students can go from the countries like India, and they can work for them. So the best cream layer goes and work there, study there and work there. So that is a very kind of loss for India, that most of our best brains are going abroad. And so what can we do? Where is the light? Well, the light is in providing better opportunities, by providing better startup culture, by providing better by providing space for the companies, and let the companies perform open-handedly, having some liberal values. That's how the problem can be solved. That can be one way. If the corporate government governance in the companies are good, and they are provided an open environment to grow, then this problem uh, can easily be overcome. Well, the other factor to this is lack of the what the people think, that there is a that the lifestyle difference between developed countries and developing countries is great. Well, that is very subjective to an individual. But by improving the lifestyle, by decreasing pollution level, many of the people are just scared of Indian pollution and they ran away to developed countries. So by decreasing the pollution levels, by increasing the ease of living, and by uh, moving towards sustainable development and open environment for the companies, we can overcome this problem. It is not that easy as it is easy to say it, but it is really tough, and we can progress in it. It is not impossible. It is, if the government and the policymakers um, work work and think about it, then it can really be achieved by some good policies, like liberalizing more the companies, by giving more innovation space, by investing more on research and development, by and by many other policies that the government can implement. So that can be one way of it. Another way is improving the lifestyle of people, uh, but that is really very difficult in India, in the country like India, where there is a huge population and a lack of resources. So the government should ensure the so that the economy should grow and the population should decrease slightly at a slower pace, because exponential decrease in population is also not recommendable. So by increasing the economy and improving the lifestyle slowly, can really overcome this problem of brain drain. And as citizens, building a in building inhibiting the idea of nationalism, not very extremist one, but a sense of belongingness to the nation, and a sense that idea should be inhibited in every young mind, that working for the country, working for their own nation is very much good than working for another country. And it is also, there's no unethical practice in inhibiting such ideas, because it is the truth that living in the native country provides a lot of benefits also. And the adaptiveness, there's a lot of adaptiveness, the and the recognized environment that they have provides them more space to grow. So that was all about brain drain. Thank you very much.